Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you already didn't. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the taillights on Alfa GT. To do this job properly, you're gonna need a small ratchet. You're also gonna need a 10mm socket, a small extension, and a 10mm spanner. To remove the taillight, we have to remove 3 nuts, which are located approximately right here on the opposite side. So open up your trunk and open up the side compartment. Now remove this plastic cover right here. Here's our access point. Now I'm gonna unscrew both bulbs. Here's the middle screw, here's the outer one, and the last one is located right here behind this circular plastic cover. Take something sharp and remove it. And there's the third one right there. Take your 10mm spanner and loosen up the nut. After that you can undo it by hand. You can undo this middle one using your ratchet. To undo the last one, I'm gonna use my extension as well. Undo it the rest of the way using your socket and the extension, and make sure that the nut doesn't drop below. Now all you gotta do is give it a little push from the inside, and that is basically it. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfisti.